This is my desk now. No tablet, no camera, no second screen, no charger cable, just this. 6 weeks ago, that same desk was completely buried. Let me show you exactly what replaced every single thing on it. Rewind. Tablet for reading, camera for shooting, portable monitor, notebook, power back, and a case so thick it hurt. 6 things, one very heavy bag. Then the Galaxy Z Fold8 Ultra landed here. Watch this desk empty up. Item 1. The tablet. This opens into an 8-inch screen, almost square, with a crease you genuinely stop noticing after a day. Same pocket, double the canvas. My tablet has not left the drawer since. 5 to go. Item 2. My camera. 200 megapixels on the main sensor, 3 times optical zoom, ultra-wide that is 34% brighter, and 8K video. For client work and for me, that is genuinely enough. 4 to go. Item 3. The portable monitor. 3 apps side by side on one screen. Edit, chat, research, no window juggling at all. When you unfold this in a co-kipping space, people genuinely lean over to look. 3 to go. Item 4. The paper notebook. Galaxy AI listens to the meeting, writes the summary, pulls out my action points, and translates the call live. I still love pens. I just stopped needing one for work. 2 to go. Item 5. The power bank. 5,000 milliamp hours, up to 27 hours of video. Full shooting day, edit on the train home, and I still walk in with charge left. That one felt good. 1 to go. Item 6. The armored case. Titanium layers under the display, a reinforced hinge, ceramic glass on the front, and real water resistance. This is the first folding phone I stopped babying. Desk officially empty. And there is still more. And here is the one nobody mentions. It stands up on its own. Half folded on the table, it becomes its own tripod for calls, with a 10 megapixel camera on each screen. I have not touched a stand since. Here is what surprised me most. Closed, it is just a phone. 6.5-inch cover screen, one hand, one thumb, coffee in the other. You only open it when you actually need the big canvas. 3,000 nits peak, 15% brighter than last year. This is the test that used to kill foldables. Full sun on a terrace. I can read it, I can grade footage on it, no hand shading the screen.
Under all of this sits the newest Snapdragon Elite chip. The AI engine is 21% faster, graphics 15, and 8K timelines scrub without stuttering. Yes, it warms up. No, it never thrilled on me. 4.1 millimeters open, 215 grams. Numbers stop meaning anything until you hold it, and then your brain quietly refuses to believe a tablet folds into your jacket pocket. It really is that thin. 4 finishes: violet shadow, graphite, cream, and a green shadow you can only get from Samsung directly. Storage runs from 256 gigabytes all the way up to a full terabyte, paired with 16 gigabytes of memory.
So, back to the empty desk. Is it expensive? Yes, it is. Is it the first foldable I would actually buy with my own money? Also yes. Full specs and the best price are waiting in the link below.